This is the Wurkkos HD02, the transformers of flashlights. 4 light sources in one futuristic design. Let me show you why this might be the most versatile EDC light I've ever tested. Hey everyone, Nico here from GentsFrame. Today I'm unboxing the Wurkkos HD02, and this is not your typical flashlight. This thing has 4 different light sources in one compact package. A 3200 lumen spotlight, UV light, green laser and foldable wing with adjustable color temperature. Let's see what's inside. Opening up the box, and right away everything is packed neatly. You can see the HD02 sitting front and center with accessories underneath. Let me pull everything out so you can see what you actually get. Cable, strap, manual, and this is a nice thank you message. Classy. Wurkkos always does a good job with the presentation. This feels like a premium product. Okay, it's time. Here is the HD02 itself. First impressions, it's reasonably big for everything it does. The build quality immediately feels solid. This is aerospace grade 6061 aluminum with Type 3 hard anodization. You can see the wings folded on both sides, the magnetic base on the tail. Up front you've got the main bezel, which houses 3 separate light sources. The spotlight LED in the large reflector, the UV light in a smaller reflector next to it, and a green laser. A sturdy pocket clip, removable and reversible, as well as a charging port above it. The weight is almost 200 grams, which feels substantial but not heavy. I'm so impatient to open the wings and see it live for the first time. Well, this truly is a transformer. Here you can see the magnets that activate the lights. There are some small inscriptions. Okay, cool. Let's see where is the battery. The magnet is very strong, it pulls the battery straight out. Remove the insulation film in the tail cap that was for safe shipping. You get a 21700 lithium battery with 5000 mAh capacity, removable and rechargeable, which is great because you can carry spares and swap it out when it wears out after years of use. And here is a bonus feature. This flashlight also works as a power bank, so you can actually charge your phone or other devices from it in an emergency. The HD02 is IP6 rated, which means you can handle high pressure water jets from any direction. Not submersible, but you can use it in heavy rain and wash it off without worry. Close this securely. It's about 126 mm long, 41 mm wide and just 26 mm thick. It definitely fits in a pocket. Not as slim as typical EDC light, but considering everything it does, the size is reasonable. You already saw the cable, 2 sides USB Type-C. The port is right here under the rubber cover. It's positioned well, easy to access but protected from the elements. And here is the instruction manual for the transformer. The usual complicated charts. I'll show you the basics hands-on just in seconds. With this ring we can switch the 3 main modes. In the middle position the main light turns on. By holding the button you control the brightness of the light. When it reaches maximum power we see it flash. We hold it again and it starts to decrease. Double click activates maximum power mode. When we turn to the right, we activate the UV light. By holding you switch between strong and weak modes. Turn the ring fully to the left and we activate the green laser. It shines consistently and has no different functions. Let's see the wings. They light up automatically. You can see the moment when they turn on or off. Double click and we activate maximum power. By holding, we control the brightness. By pressing and holding, we control the color temperature of the light. We see a flashing when we reach the extreme position of warm or cool light. Let's talk mounting options. The magnetic tail is strong. The clip tension is good. For more stable setups there is a tripod mount. Any standard camera tripod works. This is perfect if you are doing video work, photography, or just need steady light for an extended task. Much more stable than trying to balance it somewhere. Here you can see visually the strength of the magnet. I would say it's very strong. I had doubts whether the magnet would hold the heavier body of the flashlight, but apparently they calculated well. That's the Wurkkos HD02, a genuinely innovative multifunction flashlight that lives up to the Swiss Army knife of lights concept. If you found this unboxing helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let me down in the comments. Would you use all 4 light sources, or it's too much for flashlight? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao!
Born with dirt on my boots, ain't no clean slate, no suits. Chains on my wrist, broke 'em loose. Broke my back.